You're crafting sales on Etsy, but analyzing data in Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, add a new row to Google Sheets whenever someone places an order on your Etsy shop. Or adjust inventory levels in Google Sheets the moment stock changes on Etsy. Or even use updated sheet data in Google Sheets to publish a new Etsy listing automatically. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Etsy and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.